Okay, today is Wednesday. We're following our own ongoing Indiana waterfall. As you can see, it's going good, not letting up. All I can say is we have even more water than we did before. Oh, look, we're getting another lake. There's a lake on the left and the right. Let's walk over to the other side and see how far down it's gone. Isn't that beautiful? It's just what every homeowner wants to see in their backyard. It's working more towards the center of the patio, towards the other side of the house now. The ground is totally saturated. As it says in the song, isn't it lovely? Can you hear it with the boots? It's like I said yesterday, ooh, we really could end up with a sinkhole. Looky here. It's going above my boot. It's pretty. Over $5,400 for this beautiful lake. I don't know how to show better how deep this is. It truly feels like it's sinking. We are going to have green grass. I think our grass is a little bit greener than any of the neighbors. Now we can go over here. There we go. Where's Michael Moore when you need him? He could probably narrate this a whole lot better than I am. Look at that green grass. Look at that flooded lake and sidewalk. Let's move back out again so we can see the other side where the new lake is forming. I really, honest to God, I feel the ground is sinking under my feet. I'm not kidding. That's not trying to be funny on this one. Actually, I'm not trying to be funny on any of it. I'm just so disgusted. You can count the seconds yourself between spews. Can't imagine what our electric bill is going to be. I hope to God it hasn't gone into a water pipe. Oh, look at the dip here. See the way that's so much deeper? Let's go play in the waterfall, huh? Whoa! How you like this, fans? Once it stops, I'll go ahead and move over again. Boot? No boot. Boot? No boot. There it comes. I actually think it might be coming out a little bit more. It is sinking into my boots. I guess these are snow boots, not rain boots. Who'd have thunk I needed rain boots? It's not even spring yet, is it? guess it's making soup, poo-poo soup out of Bailey's doo-doo. Except like we said before, Bailey's not too excited about coming out and trying to do business in a wading pool. Isn't it beautiful? Just what every person wants. Let's go over here to the other side where we have, again, the other side of the lake. Make your reservations now at Lennox Lake Resort. Bring your own dinghies. Bring your own noodles and your life rafts. Looks like there's quite enough room for everybody. They said they're coming out on Friday to try to do something about it. But our wonderful salesman has said, well, if you want this done, we could add on some more money to do that for you. He sure didn't propose that when he first came out with the initial proposal, now did he? Ain't life grand? Well, there we go. Have we counted the seconds between spews yet? Let's see. I'm going to hold it on here and find out. I don't know why he didn't put one of those long green pipes on instead of this short white one. I'm sure he had a very great reason. Okay, here we go. Oh, that was only 7.5 seconds. It's getting better, depending on how you want to look at it. You know, if this were a waterfall I paid for, I'd say I got my money's worth. However, we paid for dry basement, dry patio on top of the basement. It's not safe. This is just nuts. Okay. Thank you to all my friends and relatives for your continued support in my moments of water misery. I'm afraid to go to the basement. I don't know if it's doing anything down there or not, and frankly, I'm not sure if I want to know. Let's see if we can get the little waves here going across the patio. Aren't they lovely? Water, water everywhere. Where it goes. Yes, I do care. Let's move the grill out of the way so we can even a better shot here. I can watch it better from inside. You notice who's missing in this little picture? Bailey. Bailey wants nothing to do with this now. Okay, guys. Getting ready to go back in. Later.